The House of Representatives has announced a 23-member committee to study the proposed restructuring of federal government agencies in line with the Stephen Oronsaye report. The Parliament also calls on the federal ministries of Education and Health to make drug tests mandatory for secondary school students. National Assembly correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
After years of gathering dust, the Oronsaye report is receiving government's attention. President Bola Tinubu ordered the full implementation of the report, which recommended streamlining of government agencies, scrapping of some agencies, and merging those with similar mandates.
From Lagos to Abuja.
At Thursday's plenary, the Speaker Abbas Tajuddin unveiled members of the committee, chaired by House Leader Julius Ihanveri. The committee is to recommend appropriate measures to mitigate the likely outcome and fallout of the review.
Examine the recommendation by the executive on the restructuring of federal agencies and commissions, recommend legislation to accommodate the proposals, liaise with the affected agencies and commissions on all issues related to the proposed reforms.
In a related move, the House passed a motion from 3 members calling on President Bola Tinubu to comprehensively review the 2012 Oronsaye report, all other related reports and white papers before implementation. To stem the tide of drug abuse among youths, the House proposes that government makes drug tests mandatory for new entrants.
According to studies which showed a notable prevalence of drugs and substance abuse across secondary schools in Nigeria, 1 in every 4 students between 15 to 19 years abuse substances. Syrup containing codeine and tramadol top the list of drugs, ranking higher than cannabis.
Lawmakers want the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board to extend the ongoing UTME registration by 2 weeks.
Without extension of the registration, many candidates will not be able to register and participate in the exercise. And that means there will not be a wider coverage and participation in this year's UTME examination in Nigeria.
Okeigbo in Ondo State, southwest Nigeria, is close to having the Federal College of Nursing and Midwifery as the bill sponsored by Festus Adefiraye passed second reading.
If this school is established, it will provide employment for our teeming youth, and also it will provide quality health personnel, more especially nurses in our hospitals, health centers, and maternity homes.
Again, the House of Representatives has passed the Nigerian Peace Corps Bill for third reading, with the expectation that it will this time receive presidential assent after Senate concurrence. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.